Hello guys, this is Raj Mansoor from MM's Tech and let's enjoy the unboxing of Moto E4 by Lenovo. The box is traditional like previous generations. We will remove the plastic seal with a cool unboxing knife. The box has details about the different offering in terms of color and the main highlighted specs. Nothing much around. On opening, we are directly treated with the phone. We will take it out, keep it aside and dive into the further goodies. First, there are some warranty leaflets which we will pluck it and throw it away. We are being given a micro USB cable, so no Type-C, and it is about a good length. Next, we are having a charging brick. From the first view, it doesn't support fast charging. And we are given a nice pair of wired ordinary earbuds. This indicates that the audio jack is still alive. The battery is lying in the bottom. Obviously, we will need to turn the plastic wrap out so we could power the phone. The phone is not from anywhere looking a budget phone. The most interesting part, let's peel the plastic off the phone which have some highlighted spec listed. Oh, it feels so satisfying. Let's do a bit magic to put the battery inside and here we go. Let's power this thing up. Due to its first boot up, it took a bit extra time than normal. The design of the phone is quite different from its predecessor. The back is removable, which is made of metal. The camera lens is given a cool look with a big round glass circle housing the 8 megapixel camera and the flash. The speakers are at the bottom back and the fingerprint scanner on the front which doesn't click anymore. The volume rockers on the right hand side, 3.5mm jack on top, while the micro USB charging port on bottom. The screen is a 5-inch with a 5 megapixel selfie camera on top combined with an LED flash. The processor is a quad-core 1.3 GHz CPU. So we will use the phone and we'll post the full review after a week of usage. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to comment and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, wait for the review. Peace out.